Welcome to AOSC 2021. It is great to have you join us. When you first log in, you will be asked to confirm your audio and video capabilities. This is important to ensure your camera and microphone is working. Next, you will be shown your event check-in screen. This is a one-time check-in where you can confirm or edit details about yourself, upload or change your profile picture, and tell us a little bit more about yourself. It is important to confirm your time zone and choose what data you would like to share as part of Meeting Hub. This information is shared with others when you make a connection during the virtual event. When you are done, just close the window by clicking Update and Close, and you are now checked in. The biggest thing you'll see is your timeline. This shows all the sessions available for you at the event. You can click any session on your timeline and view the details about it on the right. If you ever need technical assistance, click on the live support icon on the top and we will assist you. Here on the top right, you can view the countdown timer, which shows how long till the next session. Click on the View button to access the Meeting Hub. Meeting Hub is a great way to look for others at the event. You simply scroll through the names, search for a specific person, or use advanced search. You can also filter to view others that are currently online. In the center, you can see all the connections you have requested or have been sent. On the top is where all people you have connected with are shown. Now you can chat, hold instant meetings, or arrange a meeting later during the day. Remember, you can come here anytime during the event to make new connections. Going back to the timeline, let's click on a session. On the right, you can preview session information, submit some questions in the Q&A panel, engage in a discussion with others in the discussion forum. Your presenter might post a live poll or two, and you can answer them on the right as well. Let's check out the virtual exhibition. Over here, you can view the exhibitor's profile, download brochures, and more. Thank you for viewing, and have a great day at our virtual event.